pass Samoto. The race will go live at about the 2 mile mark when you turn left onto Rail Hollow. Do not pass him, follow him out, and have a safe.
The Gorge Gravel Grinder is a gravel race held in the Dalles just south of the Columbia Gorge. The race starts and ends in Dufur, and I was lucky enough to get a room at the Balch Historical Hotel, just a 5-minute walk from the start line. This is the first race that I've been in where there was an official start chute and a 2-mile neutralized rollout. As you can see, the roads wind their way through grassy hills and beautiful ranches, with spectacular views of both Mount Hood and Mount Rainier. I had planned on doing the long route, which is about 95 miles, but the forecast had said that there was going to be sustained winds of 20 miles an hour starting in the late morning, with gusts of up to 35 miles an hour. So I decided to go for the 65-mile medium option instead. While this is a gravel race, this is nothing like the gravel in Capital State Forest that I'm used to. The gravel was very smooth and the route was almost 50% pavement. But even the paved roads in this area were very peaceful, and I think I only encountered 1 or 2 cars. The course heads south out of Dufur and through rolling hills and a mild gradient takes you to the top of the mesa. There are no real hard climbs during the first 40 miles, but it is a slight uphill. Around mile 40 there's a 6-mile descent on pavement. On the day of the race this was straight into the headwind, so there was no brake pad wear on this descent.
Thank you.
That's exactly what I wanted on today's ride. The race finish line is at the top of the Endersby climb. This is about a 1 mile long climb with about 500 feet of elevation and a steady grade of 8%, all on gravel. After that, it was an easy ride back to town to see my family and eat some finish line tacos.